Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I'm really happy today because I just got my first Morphe Glam fan box. So I'm so excited because Morphe did contact me and they reached out and they invited me to be a part of the Glam fam. So a lot of you beauties might know I am so obsessed with so much that Morphe has to offer. I'm a huge fan of Lipstick Nick. She is the creative director for Morphe, and of course all the amazing artists that are in the Morphe fam is just such, it's just so, I'm so honored to be a part of their family of amazing artists. So I'm so excited today, guys, to unbox with you my first Glam fam box. So they did send me a box of some goodies to try out, so I'm really excited to try these out with you guys and see what's inside. I'm not even sure what's inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys for the first time. Oh my god, this is so crazy. So here it is. And I'm so excited, guys, because I do even have my own Morphe code now. Can you believe it? But it is GlamFam665. So next time you shop at Morphe, make sure you use code GlamFam665 and you will get $5 off your purchase of $10 or more at Morphe. So let's see here, guys. Oh my god, the first thing that I'm pulling out is, wow. Can we talk about that? How gorgeous is that? Oh my god, this is the 24A Artist Pass Artistry Palette. So oh my god, look how gorgeous the packaging is. I haven't seen this palette yet, have you guys? I haven't seen the color family in here, so I'm super excited. It does say it's 24 all access shades. Okay, wait a minute, guys, there's more. There is something amazing in here. One of my favorite things ever. Morphe brushes? Are you kidding me? Oh. A lot of you guys that might watch my videos know I'm a brush addict, so wow. This brush looks amazing. And I've always loved Morphe brushes so much because they always have the most unique shapes and sizes for, you know, doing different looks. And I mean, wow, this feels so firm, so nice. I can't wait to use this today. Oh my god, let me put that. I don't want to mix it up with my other brushes because I do have a lot, and that is definitely what I'm using today. And then they also sent this giant face brush. So this looks amazing. This is a large pointed powder brush. Oh my god, let me let you know what number brush that one that I just pulled out was, because this brush looks amazing. This is a M412. So this looks amazing for doing your crease work and all that. So oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. And then here is the face brush. I haven't gotten a new face brush in the longest time, so this is really exciting. Look at how big that is. What? Okay, let me put that right there so we can use that as well. Oh, and it looks like they sent some lip products. Get the heck out of here. Shut up. Oh my god, they sent a highlighter. Are you kidding me? This is the Get Lit highlighter. I have not seen this in Spark. Is that it? And then here, oh my god, please let this be a new Morphe concealer. I'm not sure. Fluidity, yes, guys. I was just thinking before I came to hang out with you guys, I was like, I wish I had my Morphe concealer, but I used my other one up. And this is my favorite eyeshadow. Well, I use it for concealer too, but as an eyeshadow base is my #1 favorite. So oh my god, so here it is, and it's the super bright white color that I like to use too for my eyes and for highlighting. It's so amazing. So oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. And then they also sent me, oh my gosh, I've never tried this, so they sent me the brow setting gel. So I'm really excited. I did do my brows already, but I didn't set them with a gel, so that's pretty amazing. So let me go ahead, guys, and really quickly get into it. And then look at this box. I mean, the box, I'm pretty sure it's empty now, but just look how beautiful that is. Wow, so gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to reuse this, and I could send out a giveaway to you guys as soon as I get myself situated. I have so many giveaways in mind for you guys, so if you could see what I'm surrounded with, cray. But I have a whole bunch of giveaways. Probably in the video after this one, I will be able to put together a video, a giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to save that box for you guys. So I'm going to open this palette now. I love the color family with those neons. Maybe these are neon colors. That would be awesome. That would be amazing because I was wanting to do a neon look today, to be honest. So here it is, especially with the spring here now and the summer coming. Oh my god. No, she didn't. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Oh my god, how gorgeous. And look at this. What in the world is this even? I gotta get into that. Oh. Oh, and then there's always those gorgeous neutrals, so you can mix it up. Oh, I love that color here. I hope you guys can see. I'm not on my regular camera, so I hope you can see all the colors. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? Wow. So guys, I can't even, I wouldn't even know where to start. These are so gorgeous. But this color, Insta Baddie, this aqua blue shimmer, oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Palm tree, glitterolly. Oh my god, spotlight stealer. Oh my god, let's just hurry up and get into it. I'm gonna prime my eyes because I haven't done that yet, so I'm so happy I got my Morphe concealer to use. Yay, I'm so happy. You have no idea. It's so funny guys, I swear I was just saying I wish I had my Morphe concealer, but I'm making it work. We're making it work, guys. No holding a good girl down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this, you know, you can just, I see some people being super precise, but you know, I like to just put it on my eye and then I'll blend it out with the brush, with a brush. So guys, I think, you know, I had seen this color kind of picture in my mind that I wanted to do, so I'm gonna go ahead. It's a little, hopefully it will look okay, but I'm gonna take this shade here, Get the Shot, and I'm just going to work my new Morphe brush in. Again, this is the M412, and I'm just going to place this all. Oh, that is, wow, I wasn't expecting it to be that. It's super vibrant. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. That was totally not what I was expecting. It looks, it's way more vibrant than it looks in the palette. Oh my god, it's not patchy whatsoever. It's stunning. And now I'm just going to take this color here, Under the Sun, and I'm going to use this same brush again, and I'm just going to blend out. So now I'm just going to dip into Desert Vibes, and I'm just going to put this on the center portion of my lid, or basically all over my lid. Let's try that. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Wow. So I'm loving that, guys. I just smudged some of that same color Desert Vibes. I just smudged that. So now, guys, I'm just going to take some of this shade here. This is just the most stunning shade, Palm Tree. And I'm just going to put that on the front portion of my eye. So I can't wait to see how this comes out. So I'm just taking a very small brush and just very, you know, very gently. When you have these pressed glitters, you just want to work with them very gently and kind of just like press it into your brush. Like so. Work with small amounts at a time. Oh, I just realized this has a mirror. Oh my god, I'm so used to palettes not having mirrors anymore, but you really need a mirror. So wow, this is amazing. So oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. So I did put down a little bit of glitter glue first. I used some NYX glitter glue, and then I'm just taking this glitter and I'm just pressing it down on my lid. So very small amounts at a time, and the more you build it up, the more shimmery and glittery and fun it gets. Wow. So it, as you can see, it's getting more and more intense the more you put on. So don't be afraid to go ham with this color. Wow. And I hope you guys can see I'm placing it and then I'm pulling it down like so. So let me go ahead and quickly do the other eye again. I'm going to take my glitter glue and I just put it on the back of my hand, and then I just take a very small brush and dip into it so you can work it into your brush, and then put it on your eye where you want to put glitter. gorgeous is that? That is so gorgeous. This is so much fun, guys. So much fun playing with glitter, right? So let's see here. Sometimes what I like to do too is I like to kind of seal the glitter in place. So what you can do is you can take some eyelash glue and just go very gently over the glitter. Although, you know, it normally doesn't go anywhere, but if you want it to be really extra, you know, you want to be doing the most, this is just really good to help keep everything in place. Especially if you're like me and you have hooded eyes, a lot of times the glitter, you know, with all the hooding and the skin and the folds, the glitter has a hard time staying in place. So actually using something like an eyelash adhesive, this is a great one from, this is actually my favorite one ever, from Envy. I get this on Amazon, $2.99. It's amazing. It just really helps the glitter to stay in place, especially with that hooding. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of this white shade on my brow bone. Ooh, oh my god, I hope you can see how gorgeous is that. Oh, this Private Oasis is like a iridescent. It has like a mermaid-esque effect. Oh my god. You know, the fun thing about doing quarantine makeup is that, you know, since you know you're not going anywhere, you can just have fun and just try different things that you normally wouldn't do. Now, I really want to reach into this and see what this is all about. It actually has stars in it. I'll probably put that on my face. Okay, let me save that for my face. This looks gorgeous. Oh, shut up. Oh, I gotta do my foundation, guys, and put that on top. Wow. Oh, it's actually leaving stars on my face. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my foundation. Wow, this is amazing. I was totally not expecting this. So actually, just to make a nice contrast, I'm gonna mix this blue shade and this green shade together and put that on the outer portion. That is Ride or Sky and Green Room. I'm just gonna put that right on the outer portion of my eye just for fun. So guys, I finally finished my face. It's been quite a while, to be honest, but I am back and I put on my lashes and now I'm gonna try out this Morphe. I believe this is a highlighter, and then I'm gonna put on a lip and we'll be done. So I'm gonna unveil it now, first time with you guys. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So it's pretty dark. Actually, it's darker than I think it's gonna look for you guys, but let me see here. Oh, it's not that dark on my finger. So it looked dark in the pan, but let's see. I'm gonna try it on my face. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, it looked different. It's a different color that I've never seen before, so I was afraid, but oh my god, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, that is truly gorgeous, guys. Oh my god. Let me try it with my brush. So I don't know how to describe this color. It's definitely different though. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. I'm not even joking. Oh my god, I could literally drench myself in this. This is like seriously the ultimate bronze color. So let me pop some in my tear duct. Shut, this is such a, oh my god, this color is phenomenal. It's not your traditional bronze. It's insane. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. So now I'm just going to give myself another spritz of my Laboratory Beauty Mist. It's all natural, cruelty-free, vegan, for glowing skin and super long-lasting makeup too. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on just a nude lip and some gloss. And then we'll finally be able to see the finished look. So dolls, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I can't even begin to describe how phenomenal everything I played with tonight is. Oh my god, but this palette is so much fun, guys. I definitely recommend it. Even if you're just staying home, it is so much fun. I can't even begin to tell you how uplifted I feel since playing with all these colors, these shimmers, these pressed glitters. Oh my god, It's so much fun just to create and have fun, you know. But I would definitely go out like this because this feels very it's very wearable. And wow, this highlighter is something I've never seen in my life. Oh my god, absolutely beyond stunning. So wow, oh my god, and it feels like a dream on your skin. It's just, oh my god, it feels amazing. So it's just fun, you know. FaceTime your friends or your man or your girl and, you know, just have fun. I really did have so much fun playing with this makeup tonight, guys. And can I just tell you, I don't think I've ever used this. Oh, I forgot to use the brow gel. Okay, I'll use it next time. But this Morphe concealer, I normally use it just as a prep for my eyes, but today I used it for a highlighter on my face and concealer. I just went ham with it. Oh my god, for contouring. And if you're like me, I am on the lighter side, so for me to highlight, it's kind of hard because I'm very pale as it is, so it's kind of hard to find a highlighter that will pop on my skin because I'm already pale. Guys, I'm just trying out the brow gel while we talk. We're talking, guys. But oh my god, oh, this is so good. I heard about this Morphe brow gel was really good, so it really is, but I had already did my brows before I came, but wow. Guys, this palette is phenomenal. 24A Artist Pass. Oh my god, so much fun. And you could just do so much. I mean, you didn't, without even going in with the glitters, those mattes were stunning on their own, because I do love a matte look for every day. But to have fun and play, glitter eyeshadow is where it's at. And guys, I was gonna try, actually, I wanted to try some of this starry one. It actually puts little stars on your face. It's crazy. But it is kind of green. It does have a green tint to it, so. But there's some stars just for fun, you know. It's amazing. It just left little stars on my face. So yes to this. Amazing. So guys, thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today and trying out all my new Morphe Glam Fam goodies. Don't forget, you can use code GLAMFAM665 and you'll get $5 off your Morphe order of $10 or more. So that's phenomenal because Morphe is so reasonably priced. $5 off does go a long way, so definitely use that code. I will have it linked below, and I'll link everything I use below as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you're all doing amazing. I love you guys so much. Stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I will see you very soon. Bye beauties, love you.